In this video, you're going to see how to make this beautiful nautical cake. This is part 2 of a 2-part series. If you missed part 1, go back and watch the filling and crumb coating part where I show my fun-loving husband how to crumb coat a cake. Stay to the end to see some fun outtakes of Scott's reaction to the finished cake. Because this cake will be combed for striping, you'll want to make sure it gets a really nice even coat. This is a number 789 icing tip, which makes icing a cake a whole lot more efficient. Then you can take your spatula and begin smoothing the buttercream. Here's the comb I'm going to use. It's a Wilton comb and it's part of a set. I'll put that set in my Amazon shop for you in the links below. Gradually scrape your cake with the comb until the divots are quite deep. Refrigerate your cake for about 20 minutes. Then, color your buttercream. Red, white, and blue is the theme for this patriotic birthday cake. I used the number 12 round to squeeze the colored buttercream into the crevices. Use the bench scraper to slowly but surely scrape the cake down, wiping the blade clean in between. For a clean edge, use an offset small spatula to remove the rough edges. For the nautical theme, I love to use these Wilton molds. The cake evolved as I went along. I didn't really plan it. I just knew that I wanted to put a lot of nautical pieces on there and I wanted to make it look crusty. So I started with a piece of fondant and I rolled it over an impression mat for texture. I then painted it with gold and then cut them into strips. You can use excess pieces to fill if needed. Then I just started adding pieces to create a bas relief look. This little piece is from a craft shop and I believe they're used for making cards or scrapbooks, but I thought they were really cool and so perfect for this cake, so I just put a little buttercream on the back and I stuck them on the cake. I love them as an added touch.
Lorelai, can you hear me? Lorelai forbid me to look at the cake until Saturday. I can't wait. So let's go. Come on. Let's see if it's any good. Okay, let's take a look. Yeah, not bad. Wow, that's really good. I couldn't do that. Whoa, 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 whoa! Wow, bam. And who did the crumb coating? No, you did it.
Happy birthday to our friend.
The birthday boy.
The birthday boy.
Cheers.
Here's to all our top tier members. Thank you so much for your support.